Welcome to the FSW tutorial video. My name is Eva Ali and I'm one of the instructional assistants at the Lee campus. Review a little bit about solving equations. So I'm going to put some equations on the board and we'll go through the steps. When you're solving an equation, first thing you want to always do is to clear the parentheses. I'm going to write the steps up on the board. So if we're clearing the parentheses, that means we're going to distribute what's outside the parentheses to what's inside. That becomes 2x plus 10 minus 7 equals 3x minus 6. Next step would be to combine like terms on either side. So for instance, these are like terms. If we combine those, that's going to give us a positive 3 equals 3x minus 6. Your third step is going to be either plus or minus. To move the variables to one side, move your numbers to the other side. So for instance, if I were to pull this over, I'm going to subtract 3x. And that gives me negative 1x plus 3 equals negative 6. Since my variable is on the left, my numbers need to be on the right. So I'm going to subtract 3. I get negative x equals negative 9. And my very last step would be to divide by the coefficient. The coefficient in this case is negative 1. So we're dividing by negative 1. And so x comes out to be positive 9. And that's your answer. So for solving equations, as long as you follow these steps, you should be fine. Okay, let's try another one. And this one we'll put some fractions in. Now, I know a lot of students prefer not to work with fractions. So luckily for us, there's a way we can get rid of the fractions. And to do that, you're looking for a common denominator. Common denominator being a number so that everything in the denominator can go into that. And we can decide that a common denominator for this problem would be 4. Because 4 can go into 4, 2 can go into 4. So we're going to multiply each side by the common denominator, 4. Now on this one, when we do the first term times the common denominator, that's going to give us 20 divided by 4, which is 5x. Plus, now we end up with 4 over 2, which is 2. Then on this side, think of the 2x as being over 1. Multiply, that's going to give you 8x minus 2. And now we follow our rules for solving equations. Pull variables to one side, move numbers to the other side. If I move the 8x, I'm going to subtract it. And so that leaves me with negative 3x plus 2 equals negative 2. Subtract 2. So negative 3x is equal to negative 4. And lastly, divide by negative 3. Even though 4 over 3 does not reduce, we can simplify the signs. And a negative divided by negative is going to give you a positive answer. So even though we initially cleared out the fractions from the original problem, we can end up with a fraction as the final answer. Thank you for watching. If you need further help on any topics, please visit us at www.fsw.edu/academic support, and we can set up tutoring for you. Okay? Thank you.